Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk about something that can make your documents stand out and express your creativity. We're diving into the world of symbols and special characters. Glowing star. Imagine you're writing a document and you want to add that extra touch, that unique flair. Well, symbols and special characters are here to help. Dizzy. Whether you're using Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or any other text editor, the process is pretty similar. First, you need to find the Insert tab or menu. It's usually at the top of your screen. Once you've found it, click on it and get ready to explore a whole new world of possibilities. Globe showing Europe, Africa. You'll find a wide range of symbols and special characters to choose from. From arrows to hearts, musical notes to smiley faces, the options are endless. Smiling face with heart eyes. To insert a symbol or special character, simply click on it and it will magically appear in your document. You can resize it, change its color, or even rotate it to fit your style. Get creative and let your imagination run wild. Artist palette. Symbols and special characters can add that extra touch of personality to your documents. They can make your text more engaging, expressive, and visually appealing. So why not give it a try? Starstruck. Next time you're working on a document, don't forget to explore the world of symbols and special characters. They're like little gems waiting to be discovered. Gemstone. And that's it. Now you know how to insert symbols and special characters to create expressive documents. So go ahead, have fun, and let your creativity shine through. Sparkles.